Hi viewers, this is Meenakshi Chandra Maxito. Welcome to my channel. You are watching Ganesh Tutorials. Are you all ready to learn? Let me start the class.
So now example 14, find the sum of first 100 positive integer. Clear? 100, sorry 1000 positive integer. So we should find the sum of first 1000 positive integer. So now positive integer, it means we know that 1 comma 2 comma 3, these are all the positive integers, right? Excuse me. Now this all the positive integer, is it in the form of AP or not? It is a AP. Very good. Now we should find a first 1000 positive integer. So up to n is equal to 1000, right? Excuse me. Okay. Shall we find the answer now? What are we supposed to do for this problem? Yes. How we can find the form? How we can find the answer? Wait, Badri, Badri. Are you here or not, Badri? Sanjay. Explain, baby, how we can solve the problem. Ah, here they said the first 1000 positive integer. So what will be the first term here? Very good. First term alone. First term 1. Very good, Asif. Then D. For the D here. 1. Very good. 2 minus 1. 1. Very good. Nth term. Nth one is 1000. So now we can use the formula. It's very easiest one. See here, example 14. Sorry, da. Okay. The first 1000 term positive integer is, first we just consider the positive integers. Let 1 comma 2 3 4 etc 1000 be the positive integers, right? Clear? Then they said sum. So s is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc up to 1000. Clear? So that there should be a 1000 term. So n is equal to 1000. Now n is the last term or not? Excuse me. N is the last term, as well as we just call it as a nth term, right? Is the last term or nth term, right? Excuse me, pa. Okay. Now we know that formula Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d, right? So Sn is equal to n by 2. Now the a can be split into the two part, a plus n minus 1 into d. Next Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus this a plus n minus 1 into an or not? An. Very good. Very good. Now here an is the last term or not? 1000 is the last term. The an and l is the same here. So Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l or not? Very good. Now we can use this formula to find it. Very easiest one. When they given a last term and first term, we can go with this formula. No need in it. Yes, da. D. That is not needed. That's all I'm telling. Da. It is not needed. Listen, pa. Listen. If you want to listen, if you are using the same problem, this problem also you will get an answer. But here we need a T. D. Right? When they given a last term, when they given a first term and a last term, we don't want to take a D value. Very clear? Huh? Only last term and first term. That's enough. They said it is 1000 positive integers. So last term is 1000. Clear? When they given a last term a and also we don't need a d value. Clear? When they given a n and a is enough to find n a n. When they given a last term, that is enough to find n a l. No need a d. Clear? They didn't mention a last term only. We need a d. Clear, pa? Okay. Now we can substitute this value. If you want to use this formula also, you will get the same answer. You need to, don't worry, right? You should find a d and then you can substitute. You can get a value. But it is a short form. We can easily find the answer. Okay, Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. Then S 1000 is equal to 1000 by 2 1 plus 1000 last term. Then here n also 1000, an also 1000. Are you all clear? The term is also 1000, the value also 1000. Don't get confusion. For usually the problems, the term should be some number, the value should be some other number, right? But here both are same because it is a positive integers AP. So now 1000 by 2 1 plus 1000. So 1000 by 2 it became a 500 into 1 plus 1000, 1001. Now you can multiply, baby. 1000, 1, 500. So 0, 0, 0, 0, then 0, 0, 0, 0, then 5 ones are 5, 500, 500, 5 ones are 5. So 0, 0, 5, 0, 0, 5. That is a 5 lakh 500. So 5 lakh 500 is a sum of the first 1000 term. Are you clear? Excuse me. Any doubt? Any doubt, Ra? Any doubt? Are you clear? Okay. Ra. Second subdivision. Yes, pa. Second subdivision. See here, second subdivision. The first n positive integer. First n positive integers. So let s is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 etc. 1000. Sorry, n positive integer. Positive integer. Just keep in mind positive integer. The same thing. What we solved in the first problem. The same thing. So 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma etc. Last term they said it is n. Are you clear? Here the last term they given 1000. Here they didn't mention the last term. They said it is a first n positive integers. So last term is n. Right? Clear? Now as usual, a value was 1, d value was 1, l value n. So instead of this n value, that is the same formula you can use it. Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. So l, what is this here? Last term n. So instead of l value, you can put n. So Sn is equal to n by 2. First value, first term 1, 1 plus n. So next term, will you all able to simplify this? Is it possible? No, it is already the simplest form. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into 1 plus n or n plus n, right? Clear? So what we conclude that? What we conclude that? From this formula, what do you observe? Actually, from the subdivision 1, when they given a d value, sorry, when they given a last term or a nth term, we no needed a, we don't want to find a d value, right? Without we are able to find. Here, see here, here the formula almost it came Sn is equal to n by 2 n plus 1. So what you conclude that? Excuse me. Now is it clear? I will increase my volume. Excuse me, now it is clear? Now you can tell me what you observe from the problem. சொல்றது புரியுதா இல்லையா? நல்லா கவனி. இந்த இதுல வந்து பார்த்தேன்னா நீ d தேவையில்லைன்னு கண்டுபிடிச்ச, right? Is not needed at d, right? Because you are able to use here a plus d. The same way for that, here a l. So when you simplify this problem, you will get Sn is equal to n by 2 1 plus n. So what do you observe from this? Very good. D is not needed. Then even a also a actually it is first n positive integer. So surely the first value is n. N is, sorry, first one is a. A 1. A equal to 1, right? A equal to 1, not a n. Kishore, please clear. Listen. Yes, tell me. Listen, here we no needed the a value as well as d value as well as a n value no needed. Only n value is enough. When it is, only they given a n positive integers. So sum of the n positive integer formula is Sn is equal to n into n minus 1 divided by 2. That is a 1 mark important formula. Very clear? Excuse me.
I hope in this video you may clear about the problem. Thank you for watching my video. If it is any doubt, you can ask me in a comment. Thank you.